Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Welcome back, everyone. For about 75% of you today, this is going to probably be a Labor Day you're going to want to forget with cold and rainy conditions out there. But not everybody will see the rain. Right now, live look outside of the capital city. It's nice and quiet out there. No rain falling yet, but that will be changing as we go through the early morning hours. 54 right now in Bismarck is your air temperature with that north wind at 6 miles an hour. Dew point still pretty dry at 40 degrees. That's probably why it's not raining yet in Bismarck, even though it looks like there's rain right on the doorstep. The air's still pretty dry, so it's going to take a while for that rain to kind of moisten up the atmosphere. There is a large slug of rain here to our southwest, and we do have that radar hole here, so especially down across Bowman County, it is really coming down hard. And you can see this whole slug of rain as a short wave is going to move through today, be sliding in this general direction. So I think if you're north of about a line from right about here, I believe, if you're north and east of that line, I think you should stay dry for most of the day, but I can't rule out a stray sprinkle, especially in a place like Minot or Stanley. Here's a look at temperatures right now across the region. Pretty uniform. Those northerly winds ushering in all that cool, actually cold Canadian air. Further to the south, there's a look at your neighborhood. It's chilly basically everywhere you go, but by this time tomorrow, these temperatures will look balmy compared to what we'll be experiencing here for the next couple of days here with some very frigid temperatures. Winds, like I said, they're light right now. They should be increasing slightly as we go through the day, but basically between 5 and 10 miles an hour right now. Here's a look at precision cast. You can see this large slug of moisture that will continue to slowly creep its way through the area. But again, a very sharp cutoff to the moisture here between who sees the rain and who doesn't see the rain. You can see not far to the northeast of Bismarck, it will remain dry, and it remained dry all day for the Magic City before all of this slides to the south. I do think it should remain all rain. There were some snow worries over the weekend, but I think it'll stay all rain today. And where it does rain all day, quite a bit of rain will fall, inch to an inch and a half of rain possible across the southwest. Rainy today in the Bismarck area. I think it should wrap up maybe by 3 or so. But look at those temperatures, lower 50s. That's around where we should be for lows, not highs for this time of the year. And that is important because we could set some records today for the coldest high temperature in a few locations, such as Dickinson and Minot could take a run at those records. And then tomorrow, Dickinson and Bismarck could set records for their coldest ever high temperature for the day. Highs today most everywhere, upper 40s and lower 50s across the region, so well below normal today. And for tonight, we have that freeze warning in effect between 3 and 9 a.m. tomorrow, so sensitive vegetation will be impacted by that hard freeze. There's a look at your 3-day forecast for Dickinson. Rainy today, and then sunshine returns and chilly temperatures for the next couple of days. Same thing for Williston. Morning showers today. They should wrap up by about 10, and then chilly for the next couple of days. The extended forecast for Bismarck looking like this. A dreary day today, and then lots of sunshine for the rest of the week and cold temperatures. And unfortunately for just about everyone, with that hard freeze coming tonight and most likely Tuesday night and Wednesday, I think it's going to be the end of the growing season for just about everybody out there, which could throw a wrench into the harvest out there, Josh.
Yeah. Absolutely. Well, hopefully people maybe get their crops or their gardens covered, so forth.
Yes, cover up that sensitive vegetation.
All right, thanks, Robert. When we return on Good Day Dakota, yet another North Dakota ballot measure called into question ahead of the election, now less than 2 months away. We'll have more on that coming up next.